In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Google Docs. If you want to make your document more useful and easier to navigate, attaching a file in Google Docs is a great option. What you're really doing here is inserting a file smart chip, which creates a clean, clickable reference to a file directly inside your document. This is especially helpful when you want to connect supporting materials without cluttering the page. To begin, open the Google Doc where you want the file to appear. Make sure you're in the correct document and place your cursor in the spot where you want to insert the file. This helps keep your document organized, especially if you're adding references inside a report, project notes, or shared team document. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu contains different elements you can add to your document, and it's where you'll find the option needed for attaching a file in this format. After that, move your cursor over Smart Chips. A side menu will appear with different types of Smart Chips you can insert. From that list, click on File. This tells Google Docs that you want to add a file reference directly into the document rather than typing plain text or pasting a raw link. You'll then see file suggestions or available files you can choose from. Click on the file you want to attach. Once selected, the file will be inserted into your document as a smart chip. It usually shows the file name in a compact, polished format, and anyone with the right permissions can click it to open the file quickly. One important thing to keep in mind is that access permissions still matter. If you share the Google Doc with someone, but they don't have permission to open the attached file, they may see the chip, but won't be able to access the content. So if this document is meant for collaboration, it's a good idea to double check that the file you inserted is shared with the right people. This method is useful because it keeps everything connected in one place without making the document feel messy. Instead of pasting long links or explaining where to find another file, you can simply insert it right where it's needed. And that's how to attach files in Google Docs. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick and easy way to make your documents more interactive, organized, and helpful for anyone reading them.